Okay, so if you're a tech, you know this site all too well. A Stylo Swift 4G sitting on your bench, completely locked up. A total paperweight. It is a massive headache, right? But what if I told you there's one single critical step that almost everyone misses? One thing that turns this brick back into a working phone. Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down right now.
So, does this screen look familiar? Yeah, I thought so. You did a factory reset and bam! It's asking for a Google account that nobody remembers. The phone is basically useless. But hey, don't worry, there is a way out of this, and it all starts with understanding exactly what kind of lock you're up against. That wall you just hit, it's called FRP, which stands for Factory Reset Protection. Now, it's actually a pretty good security feature. It's designed to stop someone from stealing a phone, wiping it, and then using it like it's brand new. The problem is, it's a little too good at its job and can easily lock out the actual owner, or, us technicians trying to fix it.
Now, the key to get past this lock is a really powerful piece of software called the CM2 tool. For just about everyone in the repair world, this is the go-to. It's super effective, and on the surface, it looks like the perfect, simple answer. But, and this is a big but, it's not quite that easy. Because here's the catch. There's a crucial little detail that so many people miss, and it leads to just hours of wasted time and a ton of frustration. See, just having the tool isn't enough. You could run that software all day long, but if you miss this one piece of info, I promise you, you will get absolutely nowhere.
So what is this all-important, crucial step? This is the one thing you absolutely must do before you even think about plugging that phone in. Get this right, and the unlock is a piece of cake. Get it wrong, and, well, you're gonna stay stuck. And that action is chip identification. Simple as that. You see, every phone has a main processor, a chipset. Think of it like the phone's brain. The software you use to talk to that phone has to speak the exact right language for that specific brain. If it doesn't, it's all just static. So here it is, the single most important lesson of this whole process. You have to check the chip first. Before you open any software, before you touch a single cable, you need to know what processor is inside that Stylo Swift 4G. This one step changes literally everything. Because as soon as you identify that chip, you're at a fork in the road. The phone's hardware literally tells you which path to take. Picking the right tool for that specific chip isn't just part of the game, it is the entire game. And this right here breaks it down perfectly. It's one of two things. If you find out the phone has an MTK or MediaTek chip, then you have to use the CM2 M2 tool. Simple. But if it has an SPD or spread trim chip, you're going to need the CM2 SP2 or SP3 tool instead. See? Two different brains, two different tools, no guesswork involved. And once you know this, honestly, the rest of the job becomes ridiculously easy. All that complexity, all the guessing, it's just gone. You're not fighting with the phone anymore, you're actually working with it. You're finally ready to do a clean, simple FRP unlock. So let's just recap the whole thing. It boils down to a super simple 4-step flow. Step 1, identify your problem. You've got an FRP lock. Step 2, and this is the most important part, check the chip inside the phone. Step 3, choose the correct CM2 tool that matches that chip. And finally, step 4, connect the phone and remove the FRP. That's it, done. The biggest takeaway here is just how simple it is. With the right information, you can easily remove that FRP. It's not about some secret hack or magic trick. It's just about following a clear, logical process. You can turn this really frustrating problem into a super satisfying fix. And just like that, the phone that was a useless brick is ready for a new life. So now that you've got the right method for this headache, you gotta ask yourself, what's the next challenge you're ready to take on?